Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today is Sunday Shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Oh yes, it is time for a shave, and today is the giveaway for my 2,500 subscribers. And I do want to say thank you, because if it wasn't for you guys subscribing, I wouldn't be here today. All right, so let's move on to the shave. Today's razor is going to be by Blackland, and this thing is beautiful. The Blackland Blackbird. Oh yes, okay. And today I'm going to be using the Gillette Nacet Blade, and this is a new blade, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. Very carefully peeling it out of the wrapper. I should have did that ahead of time. And I do apologize for the video being late today. I wanted to give everybody an opportunity to go ahead and participate in the giveaway. All right, here we go. It's got all those glue tabs on it. All right, that is the blade. I'm going to set that down on the top cap and put the base plate on there. And we are going to tighten that handle up. Beautiful. I've never had a blade alignment issue. And today's shave soap is going to be Crowne Crane, and this is Amber Woods. I picked this up off of the Razor Company website, and this is a very nice scent. It's kind of a sweet, earthy scent. Here's what the pour looks like. And the scent that I pick up on this is amber, sandalwood, and oak moss. It's a very nice scent. And I do wish that they had an aftershave splash for that, but they do not. All right, and so I have that whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and I used 1/4 teaspoon and 10 milliliters of water. I'm using my Omega Evo brush, and this is a synthetic brush, or a synthetic knot. And I've just not had a whole lot of luck with synthetic knots. I like them to be, you know, stiff to where you can see it's just kind of swirling around. And you hate to put so much pressure that it's like it doesn't quite want to splay, but doesn't quite want to stay stiff. And so the reason I like them to be a little bit stiffer is because I like it to lift up the hair and kind of do a little exfoliating at the same time. And I don't know if you guys have noticed, but it's time for a haircut. And I started to do that the other day and had an epic failure. I'm sure you probably already noticed, but so there I was. I've got a set of professional clippers that you actually remove the blade and you add a new blade to it, whatever you know, the length of the cut you want. And so I took off the small. I usually use a 0.00. Oh, that's nice. And so I took it off, and I already had the other blade out that I wanted, the 4mm cut. And I put that back on, and right, I don't know if you can tell, but I got a little close. And when I seen all the hair, falling off into the sink, I instantly knew something was wrong. And I turned my clipper around and looked at it, and I had the quadruple zero on there. I had took that off, put it down, and instead of picking up the other one, the 1A, I picked up the quadruple zero and put it back on there. What a dum-dum. So I told my wife, I said, honey, come in here. And so I just had this part right here all gone. And she's like, what? And I said, do you see what I did? And she said, why did you cut that so close? And I said, I didn't mean to. And I said, what am I gonna do? Because, and then the rest of it. So I was like, I'm just gonna have to do it all the same. Have you ever had that happen? It's kind of embarrassing, and well, I don't know if it's so much embarrassing, but it's something that you do routinely, and when you mess that up, you're like, how could I possibly have done that wrong? Well, distractions, I guess. But it'll come back in a couple days. This brush was one brush that I did decide to keep because I really enjoy the handle, but every time I use it, I'm kind of like, this might have to go in the box of brushes that's someone's either gonna win or donate, because I don't know, I'm just not real happy with it. And I'm sure there's someone out there that would just love to have it, and it's the brush for them. All right, let's go with pass number 2 across the grain. And I'm just being quiet during the shave because I know some people enjoy the sound. The razor is very smooth and very efficient. I can't remember what the number was given by Blackland. I should switch hands. Oh, yes. And you know what? I just remembered. Let's do the drawing for the giveaway. Congratulations, Hunter. Please contact me. I will put my email address in the description box, or you can contact me on Instagram, and when you receive your gift box, please tag me on Instagram. All right. So that is the shave. What a nice smooth shave, and I do enjoy the way that soap feels. And I think we're going to do a little lather demonstration. I'm just checking out how well that did. And I don't have my contacts in, so oh yeah, it's starting to come in a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and grab what's in the brush. Here we go. And this brush is, the handle is very slippery. I do like the way the knot looks. Here's the lather, and that is nice. I'm gonna get cleaned up with some cold water and a rinse, and I'll be right back. You know, the other night, actually it was last night, I was lying in bed asleep, and I happened to wake up with this thought, and that's usually when my best ideas come about. And so for some reason I was thinking about my ice cube and how I always get, you know, dripping all over the place and fumbling around. And it just came to me. I've used an old deodorant stick, and I filled it with water and froze it. And I thought, hey, I could use an hxQUY in that. And you know what? That worked pretty good. Oh, yes. The ice is nice. It's still a little drippy, but you know what? It's getting that time of the year that the ice really makes the shave nice. All right, I'm using my Lancaster black sheep towel in the orange version. And like I said, since I don't have a matching splash, I will just go to my go-to aftershave splash by Stirling. I'll try not to get that in my eyes. Oh, that's, ooh, ooh. All right, and I'm going to apply a little bit of, man, it's getting low, a little bit of balm there. And nothing like adding a little bit of moisturizer. That was an excellent shave. You know, and that razor was actually on the chopping block at one point. I had thought about it, and I posted it. It didn't sell. And I thought, I'm just going to get it out and shave with it. And I'm really glad. Oh, I love that menthol. I'm really glad that it didn't sell, because that is an excellent razor. And so I will put a picture right here of everything that I used today. And I would like to say thank you for everyone that participated in the giveaway. And I will see you on Will It Shave Wednesday with a fresh haircut. You have a great rest of your weekend.